Friends, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to install OpenSSL on Windows 11. So just watch this video till the end. So first of all, just paste this link or open this link in the description. So this link is available in the description. You can click on directly to download the exe file. And now you just need to scroll down, and now you just need to select the file that you want to install. So I'm going to choose this one, or you can choose the installer. So the latest one will be better. Let's click on it. So guys, once it is downloaded, just open it to install, click on accept the agreement, and click on next, click on next, and click on next. And now it is asking me to copy the DLSS files to तेरे चाहे में हो जादू So just click on next, just keep it as it is, and just click on install. And now it is asking me and just click on finish. Fine. And now once, what you need to do, so now if you have to set the environmental variable for the OpenSSL. So just type edit in search, edit system variable, just select this one, and now click on environment variable. So in path we have to copy the bin folder of the OpenSSL. So let's go to C drive and go to program files, and go to this OpenSSL and go to bin folder and just copy this path or directory, and just click on the path and click on edit, and click on new and just paste it here, just save it. Now under the user variable for Dells, you can click on new and type here, you can type OpenSSL underscore configuration or CONF for the configuration, and now you have to enter the variable value. So go back to the bin folder and go back to this file. So guys, you have to click on new again. So the process was just interrupted. So again, you just need to click on a variable value name and paste the OpenSSL underscore CONF. Just type this variable name, and now you have to enter the variable value as the directory or the path of the bin folder in which there is a file called OpenSSL.cfg. Just type this after bin folder and click on OK, click on OK, and click on OK. Now you have to open CMD and type OpenSSL version. If you enter, you can see that OpenSSL 3.1.1 is installed on our system, and it is installed on 30 May 2023. So this is the basically the version and the library. So it gives you the detail of the OpenSSL. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.